Welcome. My name is Karan Ross. I am the CHIP Outreach Coordinator for Independence Blue Cross. I am pleased to introduce this Family Food and Wellness Program through the Free Library of Philadelphia, generously sponsored by CHIP and brought to you by Keystone Health Plan East. You are in for a great experience. Before the event kicks off, I want to share some brief information about the CHIP program. CHIP stands for the Children's Health Insurance Program. Independence Blue Cross offers CHIP, and Independence Blue Cross is one of the carriers that offers a program in southeastern Pennsylvania through the Keystone Health Plan East HMO. Key points for you to know about Keystone's CHIP program are: no family makes too much money to enroll in CHIP. I repeat, no family makes too much money to enroll their child in CHIP. As long as you don't qualify for Medicaid, you may be able to enroll your child in CHIP. The Keystone Health Plan CHIP program is available for residents who reside in the counties of Bucks, Chester, Delaware, Montgomery, and Philadelphia. For more information, or if you have any questions, please don't hesitate to contact me at karan.ross@ibx.com, or you can give me a call at 215-241-3176. Now let's sit back and enjoy this Family Food and Wellness Program.
Thank you so much, Karan. My name is Chef Shayla, and I'm an instructor with the Culinary Literacy Center here at the Philadelphia Free Library. And today we are making one of my absolutely favorites. We're making a rainbow taco salad. For this lovely salad, we're using healthy fats such as avocado, some beautiful locally grown tomatoes, garlic, black beans for protein, corn, and quinoa for lots of fiber. And of course, some romaine lettuce. Taco seasonings, you would need about 2.5 cups of water. And let us begin. So after you have cooked your quinoa, you need approximately about 1 cup. And I'm going to heat up this large skillet. I'm going to add some oil. And place in our beans. We're gonna season these with a pinch of salt and pepper. Just gonna give this a minute or two to heat up. And as that's heating, we are going to add our taco blend seasoning. Okay. So in goes our corn, our quinoa, and 1 cup of tomatoes. We just would like to combine these all together to make this beautiful, colorful melody. So I'm going to add about 2 tablespoons of water, another pinch of salt and pepper, 2 more pinches of our taco seasoning. And again, you just want to turn this over to combine everything. Smells delicious. This is a quick and fun, easy meal that could be made any time of the day for lunch or dinner. And the kids can help too. All right, so I'm just gonna cook this for 1 to 2 minutes. Okay. And this beautiful rainbow taco salad is going to be paired with a citrus vinaigrette that is actually great on salads, but it also can pair very well with any type of meat, tofu, mushrooms. So for this citrus vinaigrette, we're going to use a lime, a clove of garlic, half a cup of olive oil, that is our healthy fat, a pinch of salt and pepper, and then we have 3 tablespoons of local honey, or feel free to use stevia, agave, monk fruit. So first thing first, you're going to mince and crush your garlic. I crushed mine, and I'm just going to mince it up. And I'm trying to keep it all together, so everything relatively could be the same size. If you don't want to chop or mince your own garlic, feel free to buy it pre-minced. So in goes our garlic. Okay. In goes our 1/2 a cup of healthy olive oil, 1/4 a cup of our citrus juice, pinch of salt and pepper, 3 tablespoons of our honey, and our jar is going to be our blender. So this process is called emulsification. So we're going to combine our oil to blend with our acid. So in this particular vinaigrette marinade, it's actually 2 to 1. So we want to give this a nice firm shake rapidly. Beautiful. And this can keep up to approximately 2 weeks in the fridge. And now it's time to assemble our salad. Oh. I'm going to add our grated cheese. This also pairs well with plant-based sour cream if you have it, or if you are just curious, you can add sour cream as well, or Greek yogurt. So I'm just going to blend our dressing one more time. Now it's time to dress our salad. Beautiful. And here it is. Here's our rainbow taco salad. Enjoy. Happy cooking.